কালকে রাতে আহতে দেরি হলো। কালকে
May I please, I beg to mention admission item number 35, Lordship. Lordship, kindly agenda matter for the day, Lordship. Mr. Asantamuli is out of station, Lordship.
Okay, later matter it will pass the order.
But for listing of a case for withdrawal, my lord, today after tomorrow morning. Day after. Obligation. May I please, sir, I am appearing on behalf of I beg to mention item number 22 may be adjourned.
Wait for your turn. Yes, next. Wait for your turn.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 14, Lordship. The economy is some personal difficulties, so better my
Wait for
name.
your turn. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention listing of an item, new case matter, listing of a new case matter. Monday, my lord.
Not Friday, Monday.
Obligation.
Lordship's item number 24.
Item number
24. It will be listed after 2 weeks.
18. 24.
24. 24.
Mr. Pandit, later matter reach will pass the order.
May I please, Your Lordship? Matter may be adjourned for the matter may be taken on Monday, Lordship. My senior is not there today, Lordship.
What's your good name? Oh,
A Begum.
RMS A Begum. A Verma. 2. This petition is against the order dated 06/04/2019, passed by Test Tribunal Court Nagaon, Judea, in FT case number 389 of 2015. Whereby the petitioner was declared to be a foreigner under the Foreigner Act 46. As such, the a Begum for petitioner, a Verma for Ms. Verma, it is the SP Border presently you are serving as the regional officer.
Yes, yes, Lord.
6, 8 and 9. Yeah, 8, 4. E. Sharma, 7. Surul, returnable by 6. Steps by 38. Petitioner is an interim protection as well as an interim bail. Subject to taking steps on the respondents as directed within the time so specified, and subject to compliance of the order dated 18/5/2020. The petitioner shall not be taken into custody and shall not be deported from the Republic of India. The petitioner shall not leave the territorial jurisdiction of Point of Police Border Nagaon without first prior. It is made clear the failure on the part of the petitioner comply with the directions made herein above, as well as in the order dated 18/05/2024. Please tell an automatically effective. Sensor automatically effective. Interim protection granted. And the Superintendent of Police Board and Nagaon shall be at liberty to take appropriate actions against the registry shall retain the records that it received from the furnace step number 4 Nagaon, Assam, which was called for by order dated 18/05.
Earlier interim order may be continued, Lordship.
Subject to the compliance.
Lordship.
May please, your lordship.
Mr. Appearance in counsel for the petition. Mr. Rule. Yes. Two G Sharma. 2 6 P.I. 5 P Sharma. Steps on before 30th. Architect 31. Steps on the registration number 4 by register on before 30th. records from Furnace Tribunal Second Dorong Mogul. Interim protection and of bail 18/5/2020 shall not live with Taylor and apart when the police border raised shall lead the matter for hearing and a date to be fixed by after the determined period.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, my senior who has been appearing in this matter, have filed an application for withdrawal of Wakalatnama on 9th of April. However, she has been admitted in hospital. She was supposed to come and appear before this honorable court and mention it, but I'm on her behalf mentioning it.
Where is that copy of the letter?
Application.
Or did you send it to the petitioner? I will send it by register post.
We have the NOC, Your Honor. We have filed an application also before the joint register on 9th of April.
Rule in this case was issued on 18/08/11/2023. Registry has already received the relevant records that was called for by order. Place this matter for orders on 38.
One more thing, Your Honor. Your Honor, on the last occasion has directed the petitioner to appear before the city border Deputy Commissioner of Police. He appeared and granted bail on 7th of December 2023.
Okay, matter will come up on 30th. Make a submission and it is wrongly listed for motion.
Much obliged.
What's your good name?
May I plead, Your Lordship?
Good
My-
name.
My senior is out of station, Your Lordship.
What is your good name?
M. Hussain.
For the petitioner on behalf of Mr. Z. Sharma. For 2/6. Yeah, 3. P. Sharma 5. P. People. Okay. So rule returnable by 6/6. Interim protection and bail 28/05/2023. Steps little on a before. Steps on the response number 4 by register post on a shall not leave. Registry shall retain the records of the relevant records that it received for the Furnace Tribunal number 7 test code, which was called for order to the 28th of April. List is not for hearing on a date to be fixed by the registry after the return. But Mr. S. Ahmed wants to speak. G. Bang. Sorry. Verma. Terracotta Lica. T paper. For AIL. Standing Council Election Commissioner be here as well. Massive Verma, Standing Council Comportment number 3, 6. P. Sharma. Steps on or before 30. Architects of the ribbon. Raise their post. Address number 4. Interim protection and bail. The date 28/05/2020. Shall not leave. Failure under part. Records it was called from the Foreigners Tribunal number 11 Borbeta. Order 28/05/2020. Nothing for please this matter for you. Just a minute. Same other. Take steps. On the
Obliged. Jay Sharma.
May I please your lordship? My lord, in this case, the occurrence was in the name of deceased wife of the petitioner number 1. Page 34 is the, my lord. Connection 9, page 34 is the reference. My lord.
Mr. Sharma, take your.
My lord.
Yes, Ms. Verma, Mr. Sharma. Look at it, it is number 5, then 6, and then 19. Sharma, some are in vernacular, that's why. Let Mr. Z Sharma assist you. Six. Against Johura Khatun only. Then you see 19.
There are more evidence that we entered into India before.
Yes.
There is no evidence that we, no evidence that we entered into after 22 March, but there are more evidence that we entered. Something like this. So,
19.
I think
Notice was sent to all the family members of Johura Khatun. The order. The tribunal have passed that order. Initiative is property. With number 30.
which petition, Lordship? What petition?
Heard Mr. J. Sharma, Land Council appearing for the petition. MS A. Verma, Standing Counsel from Department Assam. For the respondent numbers data. 2, 5, and 7. Also heard Mr. E. Pegu, Landed Council. On behalf of Mr. A. Ali, Standing Council Election Commission of India for the respondent number 3. As well as Mr. P. Sharma, Additional Senior Government Advocate Assam. For the respondent number 6. The petitioners have filed this writ petition challenging being dissatisfied with the order dated 27/02/2019 passed by Landed Foreigners Tribunal number 3rd Morigaon in case number FT within bracket C close 53/2015, whereby the tribunal opined them to be foreigners under the Foreigners Act 1946. Who had illegally entered into territory of India on or after 25/03/1970. This court by order dated 12/06/2020 will call for the records of the same FT case from the Foreigners Tribunal, number 3rd, Morigaon. In the interim, directed the respondents directed, granted bail to the petitioners. And further directed not to take him in custody, to take them in custody and not to deport from the territory of India. The contention of the petitioners herein, and that without there being a proper reference against them by the Superintendent of Police Border Morigaon, the concerned referral authority, the Foreigners Tribunal number 3 Morigaon, in case number F.E.14 bracket close 53/2015, issued notice to them, and thereafter going through the materials adduced by the parties, consider them to be foreigners under the Foreigners Act 1946. Petitioner submitted that in violation of the provisions of Foreigners Tribunal Order 1964, the said Foreigners Tribunal, by the impugn order dated 27/02/2019, illegally considered him to be foreigners under the Foreigners Act 1946, as there was no reference against them. That is a mandatory provision under the 1964 order, which was framed under the 1946 Act having scripted. It is also submitted by the petition that the reference was against the wife of the petition number 1 and mother of the petitioners number 2 and 3, namely Musammat, M-U-S-S-T-T, Sahura Khatun. Mr. Sharma, take your pick.
Okay.
On perusal of the record, we have seen that after making an inquiry, under the provisions of the Illegal Migrant within bracket Determination bracket close Tribunal Act 1983 during its course, the Superintendent of Police Border Morigaon on 11/04/2005 made a reference to the Foreigners Tribunal, Illegal Migrant IMDT, Illegal Migrants Determination Tribunal Morigaon, in IMDT case number T bracket of 30/2004, initiated on 12/01/2004, seeking an opinion as to whether said Musammad Sahura Khatun, wife of Muhammad Abdul Matlid, resident of village Gormari, GORMR, under Nikiriveta police station of district Morigaon is an illegal migrant or not. After the said IMDT Act 1983 was declared to be illegal by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Dharmendra Sonal Priority reporting. Depending provision, the depending cases initiated under the IMDT Act were renumbered and proceedings under Foreigners Act 1946 were initiated against such proceedings. From the records of the case, we have seen that though there was no such reference against the present petitioners, and such reference by the Subedar Police Border, Morigaon, was against with Musammad Sahura Khatun, wife of Muhammad Abdul Matlib only. But the Foreigners Tribunal number 3rd Morigaon on 14/08/2015 issued notice not only to Said Sahura Khatun, Musammad Sahura, but also to the present petitioners. During the pendency, while the said proceeding before the Foreigners Tribunal number 3rd Morigaon was pending for adjudication, Musammad Sahura Khatun expired, against whom the reference was made by the Subedar Police Border, Morigaon. But the Foreigners Tribunal Morigaon, but the state tribunal, without there being any reference against the petitioners, proceeded with the matter and found him to be foreigner. Order 2 within bracket 1 of the said 1964 order clearly provides that the central government may by order, comma, refer the question as to whether a person is or is not a foreigner within the meaning of the Foreigners Act 1946 to be a tribunal to be constituted for the purpose for its opinion. In the case in hand, the concerned authority, i.e. the Superintendent of Police Board of Morigaon, referred the matter to the Foreigners Tribunal to determine Said Muhammad Sahura Khatun whether Said Muhammad Sahura Khatun was a foreigner or not. And there was no such reference against the present petitioners regarding their nationality. The coordinate bench of this court in the cases of, yes, Mr. Sharma, what are those two judgments? Yes, yesterday you gave it to us for one of Justice Ujjal Bhuiya reported in 2017 something, and the other one is Justice Asinta. There are two judgments. Ah. One is 2017, 2 GLT 974, right? And the other one is,
Paragraph is 24, Lordship.
what is the other one? The recent one.
One GLP.
One is Akhtara Khatun.
Yes, one is Akhtara Khatun and one is Sudhir Roy and others.
What is the other one? 2019?
One GLT 353. Last paragraph, Lordship, paragraph 9.
For the reasons above. The impugn order dated 27/02/2019 passed by Learned Foreigners Tribunal number 3rd Morigaon in case number FT within bracket C 53/2015 being not sustainable in law is hereby set aside in cost. According the impugn order dated 12/06/2020. Impugn order into protection stands merged with this order. However, it is made clear if the Superintendent of Police Board makes any reference against the petitioners before the concerned tribunal, concerned foreigners tribunal, the said tribunal shall be at liberty to proceed against the petitioner as per the provisions of the 1946 and Foreigners Tribunal's Order 1964 in accordance with law and determine their nationality. The registry shall return the records of case number active in bracket C number 53/2015 to the Foreigners Tribunal number along with a copy of this order.
Obliged.
তোমালোকৰ মই correct কৰি দিয়া order. মানে Yes,
May
Mr.
I please,
Ali.
Lord. Lord, here in this case, my lord, a proceeding was initiated, my lord, against Azeda Khatun, wife of Hasmut Ali, my lord. You lordship will find, my lord, page 22, notice, my lord. Notice issued by the tribunal, my lord. Notice was issued, my lord. Then order sheet, my lord, page 25. I've annexed the entire order sheet, my lord. Page 25.
Please take your seat.
Lord.
Ms. Verma, Mr. Sharma, please take a note of a particular letter. Kindly note down. Letter number UDL, put in bracket capital B, oblique 20, oblique 2017, oblique 3162, dash 65, dated 06/05/2017. It was issued by the Superintendent of Police, Border, Udalguri,
06/05.
2017. Pursuant to an order of this High Court, coordinate bench, where 201 numbers of cases from Udalguri district, the decisions that were decided by the were set aside. In fact, those orders were filed and kept like that. Thereafter, a decision was passed by this High Court, and then there was a meeting held as per this report in the Administrative Staff College on 7th of April 2017, after the judgment of the court. And then pursuant to this order of the court, there is a direction from the government of Assam in the Home Department. And the cases which were filed were reopened. So probably in each of these cases, right. So after that, the Superintendent Police Board from each district might have referred the matters appraised to the Fairness Tribunal. So this letter will somehow indicate some kind of light, because we have seen in some of the cases there is no such, because in one of the cases you have seen it has been filed or has come to a conclusion that he is not a foreigner. Thereafter, some letters we got it from Nalbari, not from Udalguri or not from Kamrup. So that decision and that meeting, that might be a common meeting and there might be a common order from the Home Department that will able to help us to decide that matter. Now, here is a case from the records what we found, that initial reference was by the LVO, sorry, ERO. No, I'm wrong. It's by the Superintendent Police Board at Dorong. The record reveals that after such order of the court, the Superintendent Police Board referred the matter to the tribunal on 6th of May 2017. And then notice to the proceeding was issued on 5th of September 2017. Notice did not return. A fresh notice was issued on 21st of July 2018. Second notice. Fixing 2nd of August 2018. Now, on 31st of October 2018, the tribunal passed the impugn order with the consideration that the petitioner left that place and absconded. And that's how the notice could not be served. Thereafter, the petitioner filed a miscase on 26th of July 2019 for review of the ex parte order. Now, in that order, it is annexed. You'll see that you come to page number
36.
36, 37 misuse of the lordship.
not 36. Page number 37. I have also perused the records being FT2 case number such and such. It is seen that after receipt of the notice of appeared on 27/07/2017, filing Hazira and petition seeking time to file written statement, lack of documents, so remain absent. Considering that aspect, the tribunal rejected the miscase of the petitioner, and the said order of the tribunal declaring her to be a foreigner. Now, from the records, we have seen that, yes, there are two applications filed by an advocate on behalf of the petitioner. Note down the numbers 19, 20, and 21. The first notice was issued
5/9/2017.
4th of January 2012 in the case. Initially, it was registered under 2010. Then the second notice was issued on 21/7/2018. Date of appearance was,
2/8/2018.
here it is in assemblies, it is written as 2/8/18, it was deleted here in the notice. Initially, it was 2/8,
Yes, lordship.
now here it is deleted and it made 13th of August 2018. Page number 24.
First notice to 17 notice.
You go to the records, the 11 pages that we have marked. Some are in vernacular, some are in English. So you can go through. Page number 19.
2021.
Page number 19, in the first case, the proceeding sought for some time. There is no stamp. And who filed it, there is no mention.
No.
Second, you will see
Page 20, lordship.
there will be a stamp. Stamp hasn't been crossed, no date, nothing.
Nothing, lordship.
One advocate has filed. But there is no Okalatnama for the said advocate in the record.
No.
Then next page, page number 21, similar. There will be a stamp hasn't been district, and then one advocate has filed it, but there is no Okalatnama. Now straight away come to the page number 24. That is the notice issued.
24.
It was issued on 24th of July, probably down below, but officially it was issued on 21st.
21st. Yes.
But the notice went out on 24th. Here are two dates you will see, 2nd of August but it has been deleted. That's by hand, it has been made 13th of
13th.
August. Now turn the next page. And you see on the left, the police personnel who are supposed to serve it sought for some time. And what is the date? Date is 23rd of August.
Yes, Lordship, 23rd August.
How it can be possible that how did tribunal came to the finding?
Lordship, that is
Because date was already on 13th of August.
13th. First it was second.
Then it has been
then
deleted 13. Let us
13th, yes.
assume 2nd or 13, whatever. But
Whatever.
this is on 23rd of August. The service was not done.
28/8/2018.
No, it was might be seen or because that came back to the tribunal.
Yes.
Might have come back to tribunal and then tribunal has given that. That is why there is an observation that the process service was seeking some more time.
Some more time.
This is on the basis of this.
মোটামুটি
কি লিখেছে?
মোটামুটি নিৰ্দেশ জাৰি কৰিবলৈ গৈ উক্ত গাঁৱত উপস্থিত হৈ পদকীয়াৰ ঘৰত গৈ পদকীয়াৰ গিৰিয়েকক লগ পাই নটিচ জাৰি কৰি সকলো বুজাই দি প্ৰথম কপিত চহী লৈ
On which date?
on 28/8/2018.
No, no,
20.
not on 20. On
23,
28 it is seen, I think.
23/8.
Oh, yes, yes, sir.
23 is seeking some more time to serve. Hereafter, the notice was served, but on which date? When on 23rd, they are seeking for some more time.
Hmm.
Already that date was already over.
Yes, you need to-
And while rejecting the miscase filed by the petitioner, to see what's your consideration.
Swami. ঘৰৰ মানুহ হ'ব ন? হুম, ঠিকই আছে, ঠিকই আছে।
নজরুল হক আমি
তো হাজবেন্ডে কপি রিসিভ করেছে। এই ওয়াইফ অফ হ্যাঁ
নোটিশটো আদতে আমি হাসপাতাল এখানে আমি জোন খবর দি কইছে
কি লেখা আছে এতে? এতে কি লেখা আছে? আইডিটা থাকে। ওয়াইফ অফ
রেফারেন্স টু ইকোনমিক্স
ওয়াইফ অফ হাজবেন্ড এতে লিখা আছে।
আমি নজরুল বলতে লিখি
হুম। Now, Lordship, who is title? So, Ajida Khatun, the notice is Ajida Khatun, wife of Hasmut. But her husband is Nazrul Haq. So when they received the notice, they did not appear because the husband's name was not correct.
That's not the reason.
That is-
It was not signed, filed
Yes.
in time. No point of keeping this matter here.
Yes,
Now the
Lordship.
petitioner is before us.
Lordship,
We will
may,
fix a date on the same that she'll file a detailed written statement along
Yes,
with all
Lordship.
evidence and affidavit,
yes,
and then thereafter.
proceed.
Today is
Remind that,
4th of April.
We have taken one plea, my lord, that the proceeding is not the petitioner. That was not my lord considered. Initial stage, lordship.
That you have to,
Lordship.
the tribunal, not before here,
Lordship.
Mr. Ali. That plea, whatever you take it.
And in this regard, inquiry was also made. And report was submitted that no such person is available.
go and prove it before the tribunal that you're not one and the same person, Lordship.
27th of May. Sister will pass the oath.
Remand police.
আৰু সোনকালে দিব লাগিছিল ডেটটো মে বহুত একমাহ বেছি হৈ যায় ইলেকশ্যন আছে সেইকাৰণে উম। উম। তাতে কুকুৰে I linked it with the pattern of the and the image is put there. View card type classification. Okay, thank you. Lordship, when Lordship is passing the order, a slight observation would help that she has to prove her linkage from her father's side, not from the husband's side. So that may just come into.
Definitely.
Lordship. Otherwise, the same plea that she's not the same person, husband is different, it will be a long pending procedure. Husband लोगों तो तय ब्रदर सिस्टर हो जाता लिंक तो फादर को तो पहले भी आते खुद ही से आयु वाली जी अरे वो आयु वाली मैं बनाई लो Here the petitioner is directed to appear before the tribunal along with, and she will submit evidence along with her relevant documents in whatever document she is to rely on 25, 27/5,
27/5.
27, on 27/5.
Detail order will be there first.
Yes, Lord.
Obliged.
Item number 8. Both 8 and 9, my lord, in motion column. Record is received. Heard Mr. Yasita, counsel for the petitioner. MS G Sharma, Mr. G Sharma for 2 and 4, P Sharma 3, P paper 5. Steps by issue rule returnable by check. Steps are one architect on or before 30/04. Raise the portion response number 6. Interim protection and interim bail. Dated 22/06/2020. Records from the Foreigners Tribunal number 4, Kamrup. Superintendent of Police, Border, Kamrup. Martin Puri.
Nine is also married in motion column.
Yeah,
But this,
structure.
my lord, old lady, my lord, of 80 years.
4.
My condition is not good, my lord. But urgent hearing.
P Sharma 3. T Begu for AIL is 5. Raised a portion 6. Architect 1. Rule returnable by 6. Superintendent of Police, Border Golpara. Foreigners Tribunal 8 Club. Take steps on the respondents on or before 30. Baki condition. Shall we take that? Mobilization. May I please the Lord, Hassan. Ji Sharma. Six. Keep a for a electric. P Sharma 5. 1 arcade preserve. Steps on 30. Place the vote on respondent number 5. Interim order 010920. Protection and order to bail. Interim protection and bail. Foreigners Tribunal, second corporate act. Superintendent of Police, Border Corp.
Maybe. So in this case, my lord will find impugn order at page 27, your lordship, that is annexure 10. Page 34, your lordship. The operative part, your lordship will find is page 36. The case was decided on the basis that the issuing authority were not proved and there is a gap in the voter list. Of that.
We'll take up tomorrow.
My lord.
Okay. Right. On the period of control, take this matter tomorrow. My idea. Right? Borwa. Kali.
Maybe lordship, item number 12, I'm praying for an adjournment, my lord. Praying for an adjournment, my lord. Item
We are
number,
issuing rule. Don't.
my lord.
You are Mr.
I'm R.A. Chaudhary, your lordship, not on records, my lord. On behalf of my senior.
Doesn't matter. My name is A. Verma. A Verma 2, 6, P Sharma 3, T Pegu on behalf of Ali 4, Arcade Sudhir 1, steps by registered person response number 5. Now before 30th, you take steps.
My lord.
We two just say A Verma 6 and 7. Yeah, 2, 6, 7. This rule returnable by 6 weeks. Interim protection and interim bail 0 to 09/2020. Shall not lead to trial. Fairness Tribunal, Passport 5th. Bishanath Sariali, Bishanath. Superintendent of Police Border, Bishanath.
Highly obliged. Yes.
Particular apparatus for the petition. C Sharma 2, 6. P Pegu Royale 3. P Sharma 5. To rule returnable by 6 weeks. Arcade Absolute 1. Registered person respondent number 4. Fairness Tribunal, Passport Past. Sonitpur. Superintendent of Police Border. Sunil. Right. Take steps.
Bless you.
Issue rule, returnable by 6 interim protection and bail 6/11/2020. Architect of one. Pego for AILE 2. Z Sharma 4 with 6. P Sharma 5. Raise the person to number 3. Superintendent of Police Border Udalguri. Furnace Tribunal Udalguri. No representation on behalf of the petitioner of list on 30.
May I please,
So
my lord?
there-
Actually, I had 18, my lord. My lord, my senior had to rush back due to doctor's appointment, my lord. May it be adjourned.
This petition against the order opinion, sir. That is 17/11/2018. Caused by Learned Member Furnace, so by we Learned Furnace Tribunal First for better. In FT case number 944/2015. Whereby the petitioner has been declared to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946. Who had illegally entered into India on or after India Assembly 25/03/1971. Pursuant to the order passed earlier on 05/01/2021. The registry have received the relevant records from the Furnace Tribunal Passport. Issue rule returnable by 6/6. Petitioner shall take steps on submission of 30 on or before 34. petitioner shall appear before the Superintendent of Police Board of Barpeta on or before 10th May. But bill get a date on December 30th. Subject to taking steps on the respondents as directed above on or before 30/04/2020. And subject to his appearance before the Superintendent of Police Board of Barpeta. The petitioner, namely such and such, shall not be taken into custody and shall not be reported. The petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction. However, petitioner fails to comply with the said orders as directions noted above. The Superintendent of Police Board or Barpeta shall get liberty appropriate again. Registry shall retain the records of the this matter for hearing.
Lordships, one humble submission. Item 27, 33, and 34, the same counsel is appearing for that. He is not present. May it be adjourned.
What's the order? Let the matter read.
Obliged, my lord.
May I please your lordship? Your lordship, the petitioner is a widowed senior citizen, your lordship, having a plot of land with a residential cum commercial building at 80 Road, Kutikotia, Nagaon, Assam. Your lordship, that your lordship, for surviving purpose, your lordship, that land was leased for a period of 20 years to one Mrs. Samsun Nehar Karim, your lordship. Now to expand the petitioner's form, your lordship, that is represented by her son, your lordship, they requested to enhancement of their bank limits to grow their business well, your lordship, due to which, your lordship, account of the petitioner's son's bearing, account number 115-326-101-0347 in NPA, your lordship, dated on 31/8/2021. And consequently, your lordship, the forms of the petitioner's son has been left unable to go to any other financial institution for financial help. Thereafter, in utter shock, your lordship, the bank, without giving any demand notice under section 13(2) and 13(4) of SURFACE Act 2002, has limited, your lordship, against the petitioner without fulfilling the compliance on dated 39/2021 by giving several demand notices, your lordship.
Madam, which item you are going?
16, man.
16, your lordship.
This is a writ petition criminal.
Criminal, your lordship. The petitioner has already filed one case, your lordship, that is TS 53/22, and parallelly another case has been filed by her tenant, your lordship, that is TS 44/2021 against the Canara Bank authorities. However, the bank authorities did not approach the district magistrate without clean hands and without informing regarding the pending matter, which has been issued an order, your lordship. They tried to forcefully sell the land belonging to petitioner at much low rate, your lordship. And whereas the said property has never been mortgaged, or petitioner nor any equitable mortgage has been created. Now, your lordship, district magistrate, without serving any notice upon the petitioner, allowed the prayer of the bank and thereby keeping the petitioner in complete dark. And thereafter, the proceeds of the sale auction has been credited to the account of petitioner's son firm. And without taking her consent and without consideration of the representation 14/6/2023, that is annexed, your lordship, in page number 127. Representation was already made. And thereafter, your lordship, by respondent number 9 on dated 4/11/2023, that is the manager of MSRD Motor Private Limited Bank, your lordship, they included staff members, including 50 to 70 goons, hired goons, forcefully attacked the petitioner and her son and broke all the locks of the closed room and seized all the valuable properties, that destroyed furniture along with some of electronic items, and including of the lease and looted and stool properties, your lordship, including jewelry that is worth of rupees lakhs of money and from their premises, your lordship. And after that, your lordship, the petitioner immediately rushed to file an FIR, your lordship. But on many occasions, to the concerned authorities, on 4/11, that is 2023, FIR was not registered and not taken any action against by the police authorities, repeatedly submitting prayers for registering the FIR, dated on 10/11/2023, then thereafter consequently 14/11/2023, thereafter 16/11/2023, and subsequently 17/11/2023. But till date, no action has been taken against all respondent number 9. Respondent number 9. Your lordship, representation FIR, lordship, that is page. That is page 160 to 212.
Very good. Page.
Page 162 to 212. 162 onwards. Complaint against unauthorized security personnel in front of my property. That is date 10/11/2023. With reference to the subject cited, I, Srimati Rupa Bora, wife of late Bhanav Kanto Bora, which is a senior citizen widow, would like to inform you that I have the owner and having a plot of land bearing DAG number 967 and Pata number 397 with a house building where Reliance Smart Point is situated at 80 Road, Kutikotia, opposite to Prakash Body Construction, Assam. Wants to state that from few days, a group of people unauthorized standing in front of my property premises and obstructing a barricading entrance by wearing a uniform of Indian Security Service ISS, stating to provide security to my property premises without my consent. Since this is the crime scene where the offense has been happened on dated 4/11/2023 around at 10 a.m. and I have a suspect. They are trying to tamper the evidence. Since there is a life threat to me and my family, I am the sole owner and having the possession over the land and building as on date, and I have already appointed another agency for the security. So I would therefore request you to kindly arrange to remove those persons and take necessary action in the end of justice. Then annexing all Jamabandi and Survey village, your lordship. That is on page number
When
162.
it was snatched away.
160.
When, which date?
10/11/2023. The officer in charge, Hebergaon Outpost, Nagaon District, Assam.
Who snatched? Who snatched? Page number?
Page number 162, that is referring to annexure 18.
That was only a threat. Right?
Yes, your lordship.
Well, apprehending threat. There was no threat to you.
That thereafter also, your lordship, already pictures had already annexed, your lordship. Your lordship, on page number 140,
Which FIR discloses
44.
cognizable offense? Which FIR of yours discloses cognizable offense?
They have not registered it, your lordship.
Simply filing an FIR only. Tell us what did the action taken? On the first FIR which you have filed on 4/11. Read it. What is there?
4/11, page 155.
Fourteen 11/2023, that is on page number 153, your lordship.
155.
153. Annexure 17.
Where is your 4/11/2013 affidavit?
Your Lordship, there also she stated that the Gunda gangs entered, that is like the fifth line, Your Lordship. Gunda gangs entered into the aforesaid position land without my permission and hit me and my son Hriday Bora with rod and sticks, hit severely and injured very badly. The gang pushed me to ground and roll and snatch my gold chain, also my son's black purse along with rupees 20,000 took away. In the meantime, a group of police from Hebergaon outpost came at the incident site, but in front of police, they also molested physically and assaulted, disrespecting my honor in front of all, Your Lordship. Injuries photograph has also annexed, Your Lordship. Page number 144 and 145, Your Lordship.
Mr. Sharma,
No, six.
page number 154.
154.
You have filed this FIR before whom?
FIR was suppose they had, Your Lordship, translated FIR, Additional Superintendent of Police Crime Branch, Nagaon, Assam.
You are supposed to file FIR before where? You are under which police station?
It was Hebergaon outpost.
Why you have not filed it under Hoiberg?
Because already, Your Lordship, in dated 10/11/22, they made approach to Hebergaon outpost.
4/11 comes first or 10/11 comes first?
4/11.
Then
But thereafter, Your Lordship, she approached before the officer in charge, Hebergaon outpost.
read it. Page 162.
With reference to the subject cited above, I, Srimati Rupa Bora, wife of late Ghanakanta Bora, which is a senior citizen widow, would like to inform you that I am the owner and having a plot of land bearing DAG number 967 and Pata number 397 with a house building where Reliance Smart Point is situated at 80 Road, Kutikutia, opposite to Prakash Body Construction, Nagaon, and wants to state that from few days, a group of people unauthorizedly standing in front of my property premises and obstructing a barricading entrance by wearing a uniform of ISS stating to provide security to my property premises without my consent. Since this is the crime scene where the offense has been happened on 4/11 around at 10 a.m. and I have a suspect they are trying to tamper the evidence. Since there is a life threat to me and my family, I am the sole owner and having the possession over the land and building as on date, and I have already appointed another agency for the security purpose.
Now, how this Hoiberg outpost will come to know about the incident when you have not filed the FIR before the? You have mentioned about an incident of 4/11.
Then, Your Lordship,
So tell us, when did you file your FIR before the Hoiberg police station? Whether this
Your Lordship,
particular
10/11/2023.
Whether this particular FIR discloses any cognizable offense. There are. What is the Constitution bench judgment in this regard? That's why we're asking you.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Tell us, what is the law in this regard?
Yes, not the court.
Come back to us on Friday.
Friday, Your Lordship, Tuesday, Your Lordship. On Friday, I'll be out of the station due to election. purpose.
Election. Tuesday. Read the law and come back to us.
Yes, Your Lordship.
There be counsel for the petitioner. Yes.
Deeply obliged. My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, in this case, yesterday I received an information that petitioner died, Lordship. So they will come for substitution, Lordship, with along with all documents.
When did he die?
Lordship, before 1 year, the matter has been listed after 2019 today for the first time. So yesterday I inquired from the client, Lordship.
No date given.
No, Lordship, they will come with the death certificate, Lordship. Exact date I have not taken,
MS
but
R. Chaudhary, counsel appearing for the petitioner on instruction submitted. That the petitioner died about a year back. And prays for some time to file. Appropriate application for substitution. List on. 14th May.
I'm deeply obliged.
May I please your lordship? My lord, the petitioner is on bail, my lord. The matter may fix for hearing when the LCR has come.
Heard Mr. Anuddin, counsel for the petition. And Mr. Z. Sharma, standing counsel from department for the response. Also heard Mr. P. Sharma, petitioner senior government of Assam for response. Notice in this case was issued on 18/08/2017. Issue rule returnable by 6. Petitioner shall take steps. Office of notice. on the respondents by serving notice on Mr. Architect Sridhar Deputy SGI for the respondent number 1. Mr. Z. Sharma, standing counsel from department for the respondent number 2. 4. And Mr. P. Sharma, additional number 11 for the obtaining necessary from the main capital. Steps on or before 30. The petitioner is an interim protection. Interim bail. Interim protection and bail since 1808-2017. Petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of Superintendent of Police Board of Golpara without obtaining prior written order from the state authority. Any condition that I provide. Registry shall retain. However, if the petitioner fails to comply, petitioner did not comply with the direction passed earlier on 1808-2017 and fails to take steps on the respondents as directed. The interim protection and bail granted to the petitioner earlier on 1808-2017 shall stand automatically vacated. The Superintendent of Police Board of Golpara thereafter shall be at liberty to begin protection against the petition. Retain the records received by the registry from the Foreigners Tribunal number 2, Golpara, that was called for by order dated 1808. Place this matter for hearing on a date to be fixed by the registry after the returnable period. Order to sign over.
Well, so this item also the same manner. Same order may be possible. Golpa.
Foreigners Tribunal 5th Golpara. Superintendent of Police Board of Golpara. Interim protection and interim bail. Interim protection, interim bail 1808-2007. This is on 1808-2007.
Obliged.
No representation on behalf. You are there?
No,
What's your good name?
Let me pass over the timing.
What's your good name?
B Das.
You are appearing on behalf of Mr. Sinha.
Tisham. Item number 20, my lord.
No. Notice in this case was issued on 1808-2017. 13 April.
My lord, timing. Let me pass over for timing.
Don't worry. G. Sharma 2 and 4. P. Sharma, additional Sharma 3. Notice in this case was issued on 1807 to 18/8/2017. Interim protection and bail 1808-2017. Foreigners Tribunal number 51. Mr. Chaudhary will just issue rule here,
Mother.
but Mr. P.K. Roy, Council very good. Z Sharma 2 and 4. Electoral Assistant Officer, Superintendent Police Board,
Yes, Lord.
2, 4 and 5. P. Sharma 3. Take steps
Lo-
on the, take steps on the respondents.
FRRO is Lordship. Concern SP, Lordship.
In that case, 2 and 4, Z Sharma, P. Sharma will be 3 and 5. Notice in this case was issued on 25/10/2017. Records received from the Awareness Tribunal Court number 10, Superintendent Nagar Kutha,
Order to check over.
Superintendent Police Board, Kutha.
Obliged. No. Hmm.
A good name
F of
for the petitioner. Z Sharma 2 and 4, P. Sharma 3. RK Chaudhary 1. State number before 30. Rule query. Awareness Tribunal number 2, Kamrup at Poco. Superintendent Police Border, Kamrup.
Published. My lord, in this case, I have been instructed to appear, my lord, but Okalatnama I have not received.
Mr. Rule.
Huh?
Then you will get 6 weeks. Awareness Tribunal 5th, Torong, Mongoldoy. Superintendent Police Border, Torong. Interim order in protection 1/11/2017.
In the meantime, I will file. Lordship, for the
Administrative Superintendent.
judgment is
Chaudhary 1. Sharma 2 and 3, P. Sharma 4. Interim protection and bail 10/11/2017.
Lordship, challenge two order. Main order as well as review petition order. Final opinion 5/6/17, Lordships, and a review petition order is 22/8/17.
So rule returnable by 6 weeks. Awareness Tribunal Court, Nalbari, Kudrapur. Superintendent Police Border. Interim protection, interim bail. 10/11/2017. Take steps on the respondents, Mr. Pandit. On or before the All.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of M.U. Mahmood. He is out of station. Adjourned for next week.
What's your good name?
M. Soikia.
Two G Sharma, 2 and 4, 2, 4, 5. 3 P Sharma. Except from our protect. Architect to the one. Notice in this case was issued on 10/11/2017. Foreigners Tribunal number 50 Golpara, Superintendent Police Board of Golpara.
Of Leonard.
Notice in this case was in 17/11/2017. Steps on the release. Superintendent Police Board now. Foreigners Tribunal. Sorry, Superintendent Police Board and already. Foreigners Tribunal, Court already covered. Shall not leave. Bill further to provide support.
Yeah.
May it please your lordship, Lord, this matter will let it be adjourned for a week.
What's your good name?
S.S. Ahmed, my lord.
Notice in this case was issued on 29/11/2017. Interim order, interim protection, interim date. Superintendent Police Border Nova. Foreigners Tribunal, sorry, Superintendent Police Border होता है. Foreigners Tribunal number 10, Sankatebala. Not to leave. Until further order thank you.
Obligation.
Right. Take steps. Take steps on the respondents on or before 30th.
Yes, yes.
And Ahmed Potipet. Foreigners Tribunal, Borpeta 10th. Superintendent Police Border, Borpeta. Notice issued on 29/11/2017. Interim protection, interim bail, 29/11/2017. Diploma. Notice in this case was issued on 1/12/2017. Rule 66. Foreigners Tribunal 5th, Morigaon, Superintendent Police Border, Morigaon. Shall not leave. আগৰ order বিলাক নাই। Notice in this case 29/11/2017. Foreigners Tribunal, Lakhimpur, first. interim protection that shall not be custody. Yeah, appear before proceeding on bail bond. Petitioner is already declared. Input on or before. Twenty-second May. Sharma. Incorporate. Okay. Yeah. The point item number 30. Notice was issued on 29/11/2017. Interim protection, interim bail, 29/11/2007. Fairness Tribunal number 1 for infants. Superintendent Police Border. Shall not take life of it. What order to silently confirm? Notice issued on 29/11/2017. Fairness Tribunal 8 Borpeta. Superintendent Police Border Borpeta. Interim protection, interim bail, 29/11/2017. Not to leave.
Chief, item 33 and 34. Adjournment for each.
In item 33. Notice issued on 11/12/2017. Interim protection, interim bail. 11/12/2017. Fairness Tribunal Nagaon, number 10 at Songkotev Nagar, Kudai. Superintendent of Police Border, Kudai. A2 33. Licky River, please this matter along with WPC number 7527. 2017. Ulta to second. Anyway, to Licky River. 34. Notice issued on 11/12/2017. Interim protection, interim bail, 11/12/2017. Shall not leave. Steps to leave. Fairness Tribunal, Nagaon Court number 10, Songkotev Nagar, Kudai. Superintendent of Police Border, Kudai. 33 to 34.
Obligation, ma'am.
Eleven 12/2017. Fairness Tribunal second Campo. Superintendent of Police Border. I will put it on that. Please. So, Sharma.
36. May I please your lordship.
Notice it down. It's a rule.
Rule is.
Directly it will put. Interim protection, interim bail, 11, 12. Take steps on the respondents on or before 30th, Mr.
Take steps.
We want, here. You have to take registered post only on the respondent number 4, rest. R. K. Chaudhary for 1. Z. Sharma for 2, 6. Yeah, Ali 3, keep a comment there. And P. Sharma 5. Shall not leave. Can even test level like go in and test. Like you have piece of agreement to list one. Notice issued on 25/10/21. Rule 6. Foreigner tribunal test for first example. Very test. Foreigner tribunal test for first. Foreigner tribunal first Sonitpur test. Police border. बाकी के नहीं आते चलना प्ले बस है बाकी condition interim protection interim bail 2015 27/11/2019 notice interim protection interim bail interim protection 9 interim bail as 27/11/2019 appear করিত অন্য আপটা সিলেক্ট একটু ডেটাতে ভরাই দিবা biometrics shall not leave the jurisdiction suspend the police border Fairness Tribunal number 54. Condition paying. Get right. You will appear before the Superintendent of Police Golpara.
Yes, my lord.
22nd, 22nd, 22nd May.
Yes, ma'am. Let's share maybe call.
By order dated 27/11/2019, the records of FT case number FT/5/290/MO/16 was called for from the Foreigners Tribunal number 5 call for the record, the office note reveals that the same has not yet been received by the state. Issue reminder. Also inform the Superintendent of Police Board Goalpara. As well as the Deputy Commissioner Goalpara. For the records of such. Copy of this order be issued to Mr. C. Sharma, Standing Counsel, County Court. As well as Mr. P. Sharma. Senior Government Secretary, additional for the necessary. Mr. Sharma,
Yes,
by the next time the records should be there.
yes, yes.
May please, your lordship, I'm sorry to say regarding the item number 31, my lord. Non-appearance. Obviously.
Mr. Rule. Notice and discuss was issued. Oh, no, directly notice. Issue unable by 6 steps. Interim. Bail. Twenty 2019. Subject to the compliance of the interim. Secretary 2019. Taking steps on the respondents as directed above within the trust. The petitioner shall not be taken into custody. Shall not be deported. However, failure on the parts, the petitioner to comply with the said interim direction dated 2012-2019. Steps. The Superintendent of Police Board of Nagaon Celebrate Liberty. Retain the records received from the Foreigners Tribunal. Second knockout that was called for by order dated 2012. Notice. Not notice the direct rule for it. 14 factory. Foreigners Tribunal Cardmore. Superintendent of Police Board at Bakiago.
My lord, actually, I am for the caveat respondent. This is a writ appeal, my lord, which was filed in December. And my lord, the order has not been implemented. Contempt has been filed. Their simple reply is that we have preferred a writ appeal. And so, my lord, and I submit, my lord, if there is few writ appeals which deserve to be dismissed at the threshold, this is one.
What we'll do,
Because the facts
the
and
last occasion also the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
Appellant did not appear.
Because the learned single judge, actually, this matter is covered by a Supreme Court judgment on ditto facts, same cause of action, same declared illegal and unconstitutional. Single judge, my lord, learned single judge simply referred to that Supreme Court ratio and then, my lord, held the action of the FCI to be, let the matter be at 2 o'clock, my lord. I'll try to find him out.
Today the appellant is not here. We'll not
He is
find-
there he is around, my lord. I have seen him. Let my junior give him a call. Let it be taken up at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
And this is one case, my lord, which I respectfully say, it needs filtration and deserve to be dismissed at 2 lordship.
Please, your lordship, my lord, lordship had directed for dusty service and also service by regular course of registered post. That we have done. And we have also filed an affidavit regarding service through dusty on 18th of April.
Why this is before this court?
My lord, because the Honorable Chief Justice had recused. His Lordship normally, my lord, I have informally learned that he doesn't take up matters against BPCL. Your Lordship's order dated 9th April. Huh? The Lordship's order 9th April, Lordship may see. Hmm.
Pursuant to the order, heard Mr. S. Atul and its senior counsel. For the appellant. Also heard Mr. P. Sharma, additional senior government advocate Assam.
4 and 5 men.
For the respondent numbers 4 and 5. Pursuant to the order dated 09/04/2024. Appellant took steps on the respondent number 3. By personnel of the justice service. And to that extent, the appellant has filed an affidavit on 18/04/2024. As a result of the same, we have seen that the respondent number 3, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Guwahati Territorial Retail, received the notice discussed on 17/04/2024. Oh, no representation on behalf of the respondent number 3. Vivid service report on the respondent number 2. List on 22nd May.
So there is an interim protection granted by your Lordship.
It's not till the next day, I think so, until further order.
It was still today, Lordship. Till the returnable date. Till the next date of listing. Paragraph 9 of your Lordship's order.
Read it. Read it.
Subject to taking steps on the respondents as directed above, till the next date of listing of this rate appeal, any such decision by so and so, pursuant to the advertisement date so and so regarding notice of appointment so and so, under Golaghat district shall be subject to outcome of this rate appeal.
Okay. Right. The interim protection granted earlier, the petitioner, sorry, appeal earlier on 09/04/2024. Shall continue till the next date.
Obliging.
I will.
Wait, your Lordship. But I'm praying for a small adjournment matter. My junior his father is unwell, admitted in hospital. So it may be taken up on any other day, Lordship.
After 10th May.
Lordship.
If a date may be fixed, my lord. If a date may please be fixed,
Lordships, you decide.
KP Adivota,
Any date,
16th May.
Lordship.
obliged.
Chair of the council, 16th.
Obliged.
I plead your lordship. Lordship, petitioner's father's name is recorded in the voter list.
You come back at,
1960.
you come back at 2. Mr. Das, you are sitting for which item?
There is one item, I think there is one lawyer from Calcutta in the case of virtual. There's item number
41.
41. But I'll humbly submit, because I have checked the appeal. The writ petition up to affidavit they have filed and there is no annexure record. And what they are relying on, that's a part of the annexure. That's.
Come back at 2.
Yes.
We'll take up your matter first, then Mr. Barber.
Yes.
Okay, we'll take up your matter after these orders. Yes. Who is appearing?
Lordship, I am appearing in item number. Lordship, I am appearing in item number 41 for the appellant, your lordship.
Mr. Das, you said something?
My lord, I'd just like to point out before your lordship that writ appeal is incomplete.
Why?
Kindly see why it is incomplete. If your lordship kindly now, for a moment, your lordship will kindly see the synopsis for a moment. And see for last down the line for 4 lines. Moreover, your lordship got it, synopsis.
Yes.
Please see the synopsis. Moreover, after 5 lines, moreover, that after participating in the inquiry proceeding, which was concluded after strict observation of the principle of natural justice, without any objection whatsoever, the respondent writ petitioner had for the first time raised the issue of limitation before the writ court, and that too without showing any prejudice caused to him. Now that's totally incorrect, and they could not have been shown, because if your lordship kindly see the writ petition which we filed before the learned single judge, we start from page 56. See the appeal, 56.
My lord, this is my appeal, my lord. If I may place my case, your lordship.
1 second, is your appeal, I know it, but that's an incomplete appeal which has been filed.
Yes.
My lord, these
My
are
lord,
mere
kindly
check
see,
pleadings, my lord, cannot be.
there is no annexure.
Hold on.
There is no annexure after 95. See, please see up from starting from page 56 to 95.
Yes.
So after that is which we relied, all those annexures, my lord, that was not a part of this PD. So that's our whole case. That this point was raised before all the authority concerned.
Now, what the High Court rule says?
They said with the entire, it has to be in accordance with the writ petition along with all the annexures. Where is that? Kindly see, my lord.
High Court rule.
These are mere technicalities.
You cannot pick and choose and you don't annex all the documents thereafter.
Yes, Mr. Das. What do you have to say? Yes, madam. What we found is that do file
My
is
lord, the annexes, my lord, the annexes of the writ petition, my lord, are annexed with my appeal, your lordship. If lordship may kindly see, lordship, the annexes, my lord, which I am relying upon, my lord, are already annexed with my appeal, your lordship. And your lordship, this technicalities, my lord, my learned advocate on record, my lord, they should have to, they ought to have informed us regarding this technicalities, because if that is the rule of your lordship's court, your lordship, in that case, your lordship, we have not been informed. And my lord, all the relevant annexes, my lord, which we are placing, my lord, is there in my appeal. My lord, and they have also relied upon these documents in the writ before the honorable single judge. My lord, and if your lordships feels that for the end of justice, my lord, all the annexes in the writ petitions, my lord, have to be brought. My lord, may a leave be granted to file a supplementary affidavit, my lord. In that, my lord, all the annexes would be brought before lordship in the way as they have provided in the writ petition.
My lord will kindly see at page 1090 judgment. At page para 17, see the judgment. How it was reflected and what synopsis it has been projected in the synopsis. Kindly see 109 at page 70. That will clear that they have not annexed all the documents. Kindly see 109, 17. Your lordship got it? 109 at para 70. As noted herein above, there is no allegation of fraud and or collusion against the petitioner in this case. If that be so, it is apparent on the face of record that the departmental proceeding was fairly time barred and therefore hit by clause 10.2b of the AGCP Staff Accounting Policy 2021, which clause was obviously binding even on the bank and its officials. And the synopsis, they say that we have taken for the first time. And it is a part of record throughout the proceeding.
First time in the
1 second.
repetition, Your Lordship.
Please, this is a system where a particular a lawyer is making a submission, you will get a time. So 10.2, this is what 109.
In that case, it is my case, I should have started on
17.
first. I
You
should
have
have
not
placed my
annexed the document, what I am saying to the
We
court.
are not hearing the matter on.
Yes.
But what Mr. Das is submitting, that the writ appeal is incomplete.
Yes.
To that extent, Mr. Das is pointing it out. Please bear it.
So my lord will kindly see why it is incomplete on the face of it. And synopsis it reveals that particular was taken for the first time. The learned single just says no. It is apparent on the face of record that the department was clearly time bound and therefore hit by clause so and so, which clause was obviously binding even on the bank and its official. So if your lordship, they annexed all the documents, we have taken all the grounds there that you could not have proceeded. Unless it is fraud and malafide, that's not the case of the bank. Subsequent to inspection report, you have done it. That's the end of the matter. And after that, you draw a departmental proceeding. This is the observation of the learned single judge. So, my lord, let them file all the documents. Then your lordship will take up the matter, my lord. I didn't know.
My lord, in that regard, I have already submitted that if a leave is granted by your lordships, my lord will produce the documents in toto, my lord, as it was there in their writ petition.
What's your good name, ma'am?
Lordship Miss Porna Rudra, I am led by Mr. Rubik Banerjee. Lordship, am I audible to your lordships?
Please repeat it again, ma'am. Your good name,
Her name is Parna Banerjee, Lordship.
Aparna Banerjee.
Parna, P-A-R-N-A.
Okay. First caveat.
Lordships, sorry for the inconvenience while being caused. My name is Ms. Porna Roy Chaudhary, led by Mr. Abhishek Banerjee.
But Mr. D. Das, Lanet Senior Counsel, assisted
Ms.
by
Porna Roy Chaudhary.
Lanet Counsel for the caveat. Caveat stands aside. Parliament. P. Banerjee, right? Land Council. On behalf of the appellant. Awesome.
Well, now am I audible?
Yes, yes, very much. And Mr. D. Das Lanet Senior Counsel for the sole respondent above one. The appellant bank has filed this writ appeal. And agree with the judgment in order dated 23/11/2023 passed by Lanet single judge in writ petition WPC number 1525 of 2023 preferred by the sole respondent as petitioner, by which the punishment imposed on him by the appellant bank by his employee by the appellant bank was set aside in cost. Mr. Das, the next counsel appearing for the sole respondent submitted that the appellant while filing this writ appeal did not annex the documents the writ petitioner annexed with his WPC number such and such. It is seen that some of the annexes appended by the writ petitioner as annexes to this to the WPC number such and such are part of the annexes of this writ appeal, but all the annexes annexed by the writ petitioner are not a part of this writ appeal. As such, the writ appellant is allowed to annex all the annexes annexed by the writ petitioner / sole respondent in his WPC number such and such by filing an additional affidavit.
Grateful.
This additional affidavit shall be filed by the appellant on or before 3rd of May. List on 10th May. On filing of such additional.
I'm grateful, Your Lordship.
On filing of such affidavit. This shall is this matter on 10th.
Briefly, okay.
My job, Your Lordships.
My junior informed, the other said BK Singh, name appears in the cause list.
Lordship, he missed the list, Lordship. He's on his way back, Lordship. He went to his chamber to bring back the file, Lordship. Lordship may come sometime.
Tomorrow or Tuesday?
Tomorrow.
Lordship, may I pray for
Have it tomorrow,
Or lordship may do one thing, my lord.
on Tuesday.
No. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow is Friday, na? On Friday, my lord, and lordship may give the observation that twice it was fall, my lord.
Lordship, he's on, it may be taken up
We
today,
will,
also. He's on his way
Early
back.
priority concentrate list again on
Friday
day to Friday.
for admission. Because I am the sufferer here.
That did your lordship.
So what just stand in the written statement? Let us see your written statement. Come to page number 9.
My lord.
Philip, very close.
Which is your link document?
My lord. Page 22, my lord.
Page 23.
22, my lord. Voter list of this 1989, my lord. Petitioner's name is serial number 233, my lord.
So from this, you are showing your link with whom?
Father's, my lord.
Who is he?
Ator
What is
Ali,
the
my
name
lord.
of your father?
Yes, my lord. Petitioner's father's name is my lord Ator Ali, my lord.
Ator Ali,
My lord.
son of
Son of Aklu, my lord.
Akolu.
My
How
lord.
old is he?
My lord, petitioner's father's name also recorded in the voter list 1966. That is annexure 5, page 18, my lord. And petitioner's father's name, Akram Ali and Atar Ali is the same and one person.
So this is, according to you, this is Akram Ali.
My lord, Akram Ali and Atar Ali is the same and one person, my lord. Petitioner's father's name is recorded in the voter list 1966. Thereafter, my lord, recorded in the voter list 1970 also, page 20, my lord. Their petitioner's father's name is, serial number is 305, Akram Ali, my lord.
Okay.
My lord. Thereafter, linkage, I have present petitioners, my lord, that is with fathers, my lord, page 22, in voter list of 1989, my lord.
Just tell us one thing.
My lord.
Did you mention the name of your father in the written statement?
No, my lord.
Did you mention the name of your mother in the written statement? Did you mention the siblings that you have?
No, my lord.
Have you mentioned the name of your grandfather or grandmother in the written statement?
Yes, my lord. Page 10, my lord, para 7, my lord.
Kindly read.
That the father's name of the respondent has enlisted in the voter list of 1966 under LSC so and so and serial number so and so. Thereafter, para 8, my lord, that the father's name of the respondent has enlisted in the voter list of 1970, my lord. And again, my lord, para 9, my lord, the respondent's respondent's name has enlisted in the voter list 1989. Yes. Para 10, my lord, that the respondent name has also enlisted in the voter list of 2014 under 91 LSC, Puja LSC, and respondent name marked as D. Thereafter, page 11, para 11, my lord, that the respondent is having landed and property covered by the periodic patta land 20 so and so, my lord. Para 12, my lord, that the Sarkari Gavura of Dablam has been issued a certificate in favor of the respondents. Para 13, that the respondent claimed that she is a bona fide citizen of India by birth and having sufficient documents in support of this. No much more, my lord.
Please come to page number 19. You can read Assamese.
My lord. Page 19, my lord, that is voter list of 1966, certified copy. That is
Who is he? Whose name is there at serial number 320?
320 is Akram Ali, my lord, petitioner's father, my lord.
Oh. Now, Akram Ali is your father.
My lord.
Who is your grandfather?
Grandfather's name is, my lord, Akumia, my lord.
Akum.
My lord.
Who is Sundar Nessa? Regarding the that voter list.
My lord, Sundar is about this silence, my lord, and I have found that petitioner's mother's name is Sundar Nessa, my lord.
Okay. Now, this particular voter list of which village?
Village Sambari, my lord.
Samboria.
Sambaria.
Right?
My lord.
Now, next, voter list of 1970.
Hello. That is also same village, my lord.
Same village.
My lord.
Akram Ali Akumia.
My lord.
35 has become 39.
My lord.
Sundar Nessa, your mother has become 25 to 29.
My lord.
Then who is this Insan Ali? Kutub, Surat Nissa? Any idea?
No, my lord.
Now, after 1970, there is no voter list.
No, I have
The
not.
next
my lord.
voter list is of 1989.
My
This
lord.
belongs to which village?
Lonkagaon is part, my lord.
Lonkagaon is part.
Okay.
Where you have mentioned that you have shifted from Samboria to Lonkagaon, in which year?
You have nowhere mentioned, my lord. Nowhere mentioned, my lord.
Nowhere mentioned. Now, Akram Ali, son of Akumia, has become Ator Ali, son of Akolu, at village Lonkagaon. Right?
My lord.
And this Ator Ali, who has become, who have this Akram Ali, according to you, who is become now Ator Ali,
My lord.
son of Akumia, has become Akolu.
My lord.
After shifting to Lonkagaon,
My lord.
now has become 45 years old.
My lord.
Younger
My lord.
by 13 years. And where is this Sundar Nisa?
My lord, that is serial number 231 is Khairun Nessa is mentioned, my lord. I think that is, my lord, some mistake of this, my lord.
Hmm?
Khairun is here, my lord.
Hmm.
231, wife of Atar, my lord.
And she is also become younger by 16 years.
My lord, that is wrongly recorded in this voter list of this.
See, it is easy to say. What about your brothers? You said you have 3 brothers.
My lord.
Where are their names?
Only sister name is mentioned, my lord, Halima.
You are also relying on an NRC document, though it is not reliable. You are relying on an NRC document.
My lord.
Page 25. You are saying this is Ator Ali from village Samboria. Now, what is the father's name? What is the father's name?
My lord, which page, my lord?
Page number 25.
25, my lord. Father's name is Ator Ali, my lord.
Hmm.
Yes.
His father's name.
There is, my lord, wrongly recorded some other's name, my lord.
Irbin Ali.
My lord.
Now, you have also annexed some Gaura certificate,
My lord.
right?
Yes, my lord.
Has it been proved whether a Gambura adduced evidence?
Yes, my lord, that is after petitioners married, my lord, that is page 26. I have also annexed one Gabura certificate, my lord.
Hmm. You
Please,
have a voter ID card, right?
my lord.
Now, what is your date of birth as per that voter ID card, page 28? The other side, there are 2 photos, right?
My lord.
One is the photograph, the other is the contents. On the other side, you will get it. Date of birth is 65 years.
65 years, my lord.
Which year? In 2013. Right? If it is 65 years in 2013, your birth year will be 1948. In one voter list, your birth year is 1931. In another voter list of 1989, your birth year is 1940. In the voter ID card, your birth year by your age is 48. That means your birth year is 1948. Which one should we accept? We have to accept only one
My lord.
because none of us tell it.
My lord, page 17, my lord, petitioners file one affidavit, my lord, that is
Now,
date of birth is, my lord, 1910,
now by
1973, my
issuing
lord.
any such affidavit, you can do that. Is that the law? Is that the law? What is we have stated during cross by the tribunal? When it was recorded? April 2016. And that cross, you said that your age is 40 years in the year 2016. So this time your birth year is 1976. Do you have the cross with you? Do you have the cross with you?
No.
It's written like this. More naam Asma Begum. More বৰ্তমান বয়স 40 বছৰ। মোৰ দেউতা মৃত আস্তৰ আলী। মোৰ মাৰ নাম খাইৰুন নেছা। মোৰ ককাৰ নাম মৃত আকালু মিয়া। মোৰ আইতাৰ নাম মৃত সোণাবল বিবি। মোৰ দেউতাৰ 5 বছৰ বয়সত মোৰ ককাৰ মৃত্যু হয়। মোৰ ককা ক'ৰ পৰা আহিছিল মই নাজানো। মোৰ ককাৰ কোনো ভাই ককাই নাই। মোৰ দেউতাৰ জন্ম লংকা থানাৰ কমপ্লেক্স ইছলাম বস্তি 11 নম্বৰ ৱাৰ্ডত হয়। ওচৰৰ মানুহ দেখি খুৰাহঁতৰ মুখত is not possible to read something like 1951 চনত দেউতাৰ বয়স 10 বছৰ। Maybe she is talking about that document. মোৰ দেউতাৰ কোনো আপোন ভাই ককাই নাই। তেখেতৰ ভাই ভনী 4 জন। মোৰ দুগৰাকীৰ নাম মনত আছে। 1 নম্বৰ মৃত তুৰুতুন নেছা, 2 নম্বৰ মৃত তলচিৰা বিবি। এওঁলোকে সামথিং সালত জন্মস্থলত মৃত্যু হয়। মোৰ জন্ম লংকা থানাৰ সামথিং টলিবৰ ইছলাম বস্তিত 1971 চনত হয়। মই সামথিং পৰমল্ল মজুমদাৰ গাৰ্লছ হাইস্কুল 9ম শ্ৰেণীত পঢ়া কৰিছো। মোৰ দেউতাৰ something it's not possible to read. হাত ভৰি ভঙাৰ বাবে মই পঢ়িব নোৱাৰিলো। মোৰ ভাই ভনী 9 জন। হালিমা বেগম 50, আসমা বেগম, চলনা বেগম, মুসলিমা বেগম, রহিমা বেগম, সাইফুল বেগম, সাইনুক বেগম something. Then বাইসুল হক, মৃত সাইফুল হক, 9 নম্বৰ জিয়াউল হক। এই সকলোবোৰে বিয়া হৈছে। আমি 3 জন ভাই ককাই একে কম্পাউণ্ডত থাকো। বাকি কেইজন বেলেগে থাকে। মোৰ বিয়া মৃত আব্দুস সৰকাৰৰ ল'ৰা মোহাম্মদ তসফিউদ্দিনৰ লগত হয়। 1991 চনত মোৰ বিয়া। বিয়া সূত্ৰে মই এতিয়া হংকং বস্তিত থাকো। হংকং বস্তি লংকা থানাৰ something. মোৰ দুগৰাকী সন্তান, প্ৰথম something, second, মোৰ দুগৰাকী মা, প্ৰথম not legible, second is মৃত সুন্দৰ নেচা. Then the documents that you have annexed. So tell us how you have proved
My lord, petitioner's father's name is recorded in the voter list of 1966 and
That you are
77,
saying.
my lord, that is, no other persons are.
what happened after 1970 to 1989 if your father's name was there in the voter list at Chamburia.
My lord, 89 also I mentioned, annex here, my lord.
After 1970, what happened?
My lord, all the voter list are not possible, my lord, annex, my lord. If your lordship permits, my lord, I have annex all this voter list, my lord, up to date, my lord.
Yes, please tell us, as per your own statement before the tribunal, you are a resident of Islam Bosti.
My lord, petitioners, my lord, exhibit 6, my lord, in this before this tribunal, my lord, Jamabandi copy also, my lord, submitted, my lord, his parents' name is recorded, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, mutation, my lord. That is all documents,
those
my lord.
documents?
My lord,
Who proved those documents?
Jamabandi copy, my lord, that is the
Who
petitioners.
proved? That land document, who proved?
That is not proof, my lord.
Then
Petitioner- Exhibit 6, my lord. Exhibited these documents, my lord.
doesn't matter. You
My
might
lord.
have exhibited, but somebody has to prove it, right?
My lord,
Who proved it?
that is not proof, my lord. And exhibit 7, 8 also, my lord, some all land revenue, my lord, documents also, my lord, exhibit.
What is the up-to-date land revenue? You are not a resident of Samburia. You are a resident of Islam Bosti.
My lord.
So your school certificate clearly reflects you are a resident of Islam Bosti, not of Samburia.
My lord, earlier petitioner's father is residing here, my lord. Thereafter shifted, my lord, Islam Basti, my lord.
When? Which year? Which year? If you are saying about this land document, you see very interesting. সরজমিন চিঠাৰ চক্ৰ বিষয়া মহোদয়ৰ 30/7/96 তাৰিখৰ হুকুম মতে উত্তৰাধিকাৰী সূত্ৰে 1 নম্বৰৰ স্থলত মহম্মদ মইনুল হক পিতা আফতৰ আলী Mohammad Rasul Haq, Mohammad all these names, Mark Khairun Nisa, Sami Aftar Ali, Mohammad Gairun Nisa, Sami Aftar Ali name Mondamdari hoy. Good.
My lord, petitioner's mother's name and brother's name also, my lord.
Very good. Now, your projected grandfather. So, who is your projected grandfather?
Akumia, my lord. Akumia,
Akolomia.
my lord.
Your projected grandmother? Tuma Bol Bibi.
My lord.
As per your own evidence. This loan document will clearly reflects Aftar Ali, Nabalok, Mata Sonamai, Sami, Apsu. Your evidence. Who is this Sonamai? Who is this Apsu? It's neither your grandmother nor your grandfather. So you know the outcome. Anything else?
No, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Sharma. What are the four conditions
Yes, Lord.
for a valid document to be proved by a citizen, by a person who is proceeding to prove that his nationality?
Yes, Lordship, in order to establish his citizenship, he, Lordship, not,
Nationality.
yes, Lordship,
What are the four criteria?
a proceeding may require to give the evidence in respect of his place of birth and Lordship, play his date of birth, place of birth, name of his parents, and their place of birth and citizenship, Lordship. And Lordship, it is the duty of the proceeding to disclose all these material facts in the first
its
instance.
written reply.
Yes, Lordship, in the WS, Lordship. Apart from that, Lordship, regarding that, Lordship, law has already been settled, Lordship. In earlier occasion also, I have relayed this decision, Lordship. This is Zainaluddin versus Union of India, WPC 3071 of 2016.
What is the finding there?
Here, Lordship, in by citing para 26 of Sarvananda Sonowal's case, Lordship.
3071 of
2016, Lordship. Zainaluddin versus Union of India. Lordship.
Para 26, Sarvananda Sonowal 1.
Yes, Lordship.
Then
Lordship, here finding is then, Lordship, I'm reading the paragraph, Lordship. This court has held in several decisions that when the citizenship status of a proceeding is questioned that to by the state, it is the bounden duty of the proceeding to disclose all the material facts in his possession at the first instance itself. In this case, in the written statement, failure to disclose material facts in the written statement by itself may lead to withdrawal of adverse presumption against the proceeding. However, mere pleading of the material facts in the written statement is not enough. If the material facts are disclosed, those would then have to be proved by adducing cogent, reliable, and admissible evidence, Lordship.
Cogent, reliable,
and admissible evidence.
There is another word.
Yes, Lordship.
What is that? There are four criteria.
Lordship.
Cogent, reliable, admissible, and what?
Cogent, reliable, and admissible.
One more word is there.
Reliable.
Okay.
Which are relevant, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
So here, what happened?
Here, Lordship, in WS is totally fake, Lordship. There, neither her place of birth was mentioned, nor place of his, neither her date of birth was mentioned, neither his place of birth was mentioned, Lordship, nor her, Lordship, parents' names, date of his parents are mentioned, Lordship.
Okay.
Again, Lordship, one another thing, Lordship, although self-sworn affidavit is not admissible in evidence, Lordship, he relies on document para 17, Lordship. Lordship, here he specifically mentioned that her date of birth is 1910-1973. And Lordship, as your Lordship already pointed out in the cross, Lordship, during the year of 1916, Lordship, her age was 40 years, Lordship. Then her date of birth will be 1976. Then, Lordship, how her name can enter in the voter list of 1989?
Lords. So Lordship, all those documents relayed by the petitioners are some picked up documents, proceeded, collected the documents from here and there and filed this petition, Lordship. And Lordship, in each and every document, Lordship, there is a discrepancy, Lordship, regarding the name of her parents, regarding the name of her grandparents, as well as age discrepancies are also there, Lordship. And regarding age discrepancy, Lordship, I want to rely on Basiron Bibi's case, Lordship. On earlier occasion, Lordship, I have 2018 1 GLT 372, Lordship. And regarding self-sworn affidavit, Lordship, WPC 2751 of 2019. 2751 of 2019.
5-1.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Yes.
That's as per the CPC.
Yes,
There
Lordship.
is a judgment of the Supreme Court.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Mm. And Lordship, another aspect is there, Lordship. Proceed rely on the evidence of his projected brother, Lordship. Perhaps Lordship one.
DW2.
Yes, Lordship. Where his village is, he is the resident of village Khong Khong, Lordship. Khong Khong Bosti, Lonka district Hojai, where in the voter list of 1966, Lordship.
The
Samburia, then Lordship 89 voter list of Lonka Bosti, then Lordship petitioner also stated that he is the resident of Islam Basti, as your Lordship pointed out, Lordship. So, regarding that, petitioner has totally silent, Lordship, and regarding shifting also petitioner is totally silent, Lordship. So, my humble submission is that, Lordship, there is no infirmity in the opinion passed by the tribunal, and tribunal rightly passed the opinion. So, your Lordship may dismiss the petition at this stage, Lordship. Each and every document, Lordship, there are discrepancy, Lordship. 1966 of village Cambodia, then Lordship, there is also no continuity. After 1970, petitioner placed the voter list of 1989 of different village, Lordship, that is Longkagaon East part. Then Lordship, NRC details, Lordship, our projected father Ator Ali, in respect of his grandfather's name was shown as Irabil Ali, Lordship, page 25, where petitioner stated that her grandfather name is Akumia. So each and every document, Lordship, there are discrepancies. Apart from that, Lordship, Gaubra certificate are not good, Lordship, and Gaubra is Gaubra of different village, Lordship, issued this certificate, Lordship. Gaubra of village Simlai Pathar. That's all, Lordship.
Jamabondi
Yes.
is available for which kind of land? The document which you have placed before the tribunal is an Exonamati. Exonamati has not yet been settled,
My
right? The revenue receipts that you have given relates to Tozi Bahira. The name of one Ator Ali.
OG means lordship government land and Exona means lordship it is annual patta land.
If it is annual patta, can it be considered as a settled land?
No.
Land was in the name of the 66, 69, 68, 69. Aptar Ali, APTAR.
Aptar.
Aptar Ali.
My lord, that is
Being
after
a
and after, my lord.
minor, it was with the name of his mother, Sonamai, wife of Absu or Abmu, whatever is correct. It is not Akolu or nothing.
Yes.
Because there are, in this particular Jamabondi, there is Dointoho, there is Mo, everything is clear. So it is not Ko, Akolu, it is Absu or Abmu, whatever is there. And it is Aptor Ali. School certificate, Akhtar Ali, AKTAR.
Akhtar Ali.
Islam Bosti. NRC document,
Somebody.
Ator Ali, son of Irbin Ali.
Yes.
1918 voter list, Ator Ali, son of Akolu, village Lonka Gaon, East.
Yes.
Again, 1971 NRC, Akram Ali. It is time not Ator Ali.
Yes.
Son of Akomia. Who was 10 years old. At that relevant point of time, became 39. (1970) voter list, Akram Ali. Son of Akomia. Then 1966 voter list, again Akram Ali, son of Akomia. In 1966 voter list, he was 35 years old.
Yes.
NRC 35 years. Then who is this? Ator Ali, son of Irbin Ali, 10 years old. Yes, madam, anything else?
No, my lord.
लिखित मैडम नाम तो लिख के जी सर आर्किटेक्ट 3 1 जी शर्मा 2 4 5 Hartalika 3 So come back for single. Back to the
And till now it is 2058 days he is in custody.
What do you have to say, madam?
Lordship, case record may call for an.
Why? Why?
Lordship, case record is necessary.
Why?
Lordship.
You are the standing counsel NCB, right? So,
I am appearing on behalf of standing counsel, Lordship,
so
and allow us,
tell us.
Lordship, allow us 2 weeks time to file our objection.
2 weeks time. Who accused in the case arrested together?
Yes, Lordship.
Arrested together. Or not? Arrested together on 6/9.
Yes, Lordship.
So earlier there was a ground that the brother of the said accused, the co-accused, was released on bail. After obtaining interim bail, did not appear before the special judge. That's why the bail was to be rejected. Now, okay. On the next date, you will tell us. This court granted bail to one of the co-accused. So January, February, March, April, these 4 months. What was the status of the case?
Okay, Lordship.
What happened? Any evidence were reduced or whatever?
Okay, Lordship.
Don't tell us. And if you have any objection, you have to give it to us. You are fixing it on 10th of May.
Lordship, if another day may be given, Lordship. 9th of May, Lordship.
9th of May.
9th of May.
We don't know whether this court will be available or not, but anyway, 9th May. It's a notice to the respondents. Respondent in the NCB. Placed on 9th May.
Obliged, Lordship.
You are Mr. Singh.
A. Ghoshal, Lordship, on behalf.
A. Ghoshal.
Lordship.
You are there.
On behalf of M. Bishwas.
And you are Miss Deka.
M. Deka.
Full name.
Meenakshi Deka.
Good.